how to send the custom message while your chatbot to like chatbot or any form to email just and your personal email id, right? So what you do, you can see here, right? We have name, phone number, email id, right? So let's say we put name is, phone number is, let's say any number I put, right? Email id, a message is, let's say hello. S- so after the putting this, right, you need to send. Click on send, right? So your form successfully submitted, right? So if you want to see that message, right, it will go not. So here you can see, here we get email js message, right? uh, so like let's say name, email id and phone number what we send, right? And message, how are you, right? Okay. And so I tell you like how you do that custom message, right? So in the email template, there is two email template we have. So you can see, a you have received a new inquiry form, right? Exciting news, right? So you need to put your custom, right? Your name, right? Name, right? And email field, right? Name or username and id, user email id, and phone number. Phone number is, right? User phone, user and phone number, right? Message is this, and message field, user under message, right? So in the coding wise I tell you, right? You need to make a first of all template, right? Email template. Say email template, you can see, you can make like this, right? So the email template id, all these things you need to put here. So this is a form, simple form, right? And here you can see tv template name, right? So I give, so whatever that first one, right? My default template was, what was that, right? So you need to give the in the setting you can see all this thing, right? Your template id, right? Template id you can give, and second template parameter, right? So you need to give the template parameter here. Template id and template parameter, all this thing, right? Subscription, all this thing is mentioned here. Email service, if you, so this is service id you need to give here, first parameter, right? That one, right? And if you create one template, so you got one parameter id also, right? Content setting you can see, check, right? My default template, you can change your name of the template. And contacts, attachment, auto reply, all the setting you can do here, right? Edit content, so you can edit your html code here also. So let's say if you want to increase any parameter, so you need to increase here, right? Message after that. And in the settings section you can see, you can change, let's say my template is, you can give any name and save here. So if you can see the template is changed. Mhm. In reply you can mention your email id, just I mention my email id, right? So you can put your email id. And bcc, you can add bccc, all the right if you put here. And so mobile in desktop content, how it look like. You can change your password here, account setting, right? Key, subscription. mm, it is free tier, so we have free one. So after that I show you the code wise, right? So firstly I make a simple form, right? So in that form we have, let's open one form, right? Simple form, name, phone number, email id and message, right? In here, right? So you need to put that one, right? And after that, so I give that form data, name, email, phone number and message, right? So I use a use state, right? For the toaster message I use the react toaster one, right? And after that, in the handle submit, you need to give the like what was the required field I handle here. And in the username, in the form data, you give the form data and name list here. And the username, email id, user phone number, message, right? Template parameter what you set here, right? If you open that one, template parameter, right? Username, email id, phone number and user message, this same parameter you need to give here, right? Username implemented, right? S- so uh, that is a template parameter key, so you need to pass here. And the I tell you the template value. If you go here, right, the template id, so first is this template id and second parameter is, if you go to service, right, service id you need to put here. And after the you set the form data blank, right? What you need to fill, and same, right? So this is only the simple code, you can see the logic on. And after I put the form logic, right, input field, form data, name change and phone number, form data, name, phone number, email id and what was your message, right? So same I put here. So I handle the error message, all these things, right, in that code. So I put the logic also, right? So first of all you make a form, right? Error, if you want to validate your error thing, right, you need to mention here handle click bar, right? Pop up visible. So here the concept is the handle mouse leap, right? Set pop up false, right? So if you go beside, right, so I handle, if you mouse over then form open, if you mouse leave then form disable, right? So these functionality you need to mention here, right? Set pop-up visible, and when pop-up, when arrow is mouse over mouse leap, right? So you need to add your here, right? Code mouse down, right click outside, event target if the current content set to fall. And after the event handle thing, right? So if you go event handle, so in all the form I uh, put the event handle thing, right? So here the name and target value set form data in the form field, right? The form field, right? So only this code is for the email js, send to email js, right? So you need to install email js thing first of all, right? Email import email.js.com, right? This thing email.js.com, you need to import this thing. And after that, for all the like 90 bit, right? So sky button, so all the css logic written here, like you need to mention, right? All the logic, how it look like that, header thing, close thing, right? So this is beautiful form, right? And also the features is it, if you click here, right, the arrow is rotate. So for that we have write the logic here, rotate arrow, right? Toggle arrow 90 with 90. And in the css form, translate it to top. So toggle arrow logic is rotate at 180 degree, 0 to 80 degree, right? So how it will code rotate, you can rotate based on your logic, you can rotate that thing. Transform minus rotate degree sticky. So all the logic is written based on your requirement, you can change this but the code is simple is that, right? In the background color submit, right? Handle change form message. So this is a simple code of like how you send your form to any email ID and any address, right? So this is a simple form and code, right? So you can use that, right? This concept, and you can send any email ID, any mention thing, right? So handle click contact. So here I'll write the logic of the mouse enter mouse leap thing, right? So how mouse leave or mouse enter all the event work, right? This is a simple code for that, right? I hope you find like great resource from that video, right? Thank you so much. If you like that thing, right, subscribe and like that channel. Thank you.